Okay, so we're doing another avocado video. We are comparing Haas avocados to Reed avocados. We previously did Haas versus Fuerte, so now we're going to do another lineup. Everybody knows Haas, but not everybody knows, at least I don't know, Reed.
I was aware of both for the same amount of time, but it's okay.
Well,
Cannot be like me.
I'm sheltered.
Clearly.
Which one? Do we want to have Haas first as the control?
Yeah, because I mean, you already know what Haas tastes like,
Yeah.
so we might as well start with what you know.
Yeah. And you were describing the differences to me earlier.
Yeah. Haas is normally a little bit creamier.
Mm-hmm.
And Reed is probably a bit firmer, even though they both soft boys.
No.
Nope. There we go.
It reminds me of the video where I saw this video the other day where this guy was like freaking out about like being able to take the pit out of the avocado with one hand, but then you have avocado all over your hand. So I'm like, what's the point?
Yeah, didn't he just like crush the one half of the avocado so he just got all the goods all over
No,
his
it
hand?
was in it like that, and he like pushed it out with his hand, and then he had avocado all over his hand. Anyway.
You already opened it up with the knife. Just
Yeah. You want salt?
I mean, I'm salty enough, but if you want.
It's okay.
Yep. The usual.
That's Haas.
Nice and creamy.
Creamy. It's really good. Makes really good guac.
Just take the rest of this.
Not for the Reed. You were telling me the pit is much larger.
Usually, yeah. Because it's a big avocado.
Yeah.
So. No, I have seen pictures of avocados that have like basically no pit.
Yeah. They're just
And
real
it's
tiny.
It's great.
I
And then
learned about...
and then other ones that have like it's just all pit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a hair
It's a
bigger.
bigger pit, but it's also bigger fruit.
You can eat that since it landed on your spoon. And have this. You're welcome. I'm a provider. Sass. Still creamy. Bit firmer.
It strikes me as like a hair creamier, and the flavor seems lighter.
I guess previously whenever I've had Reed avocados, they were just still crunchy because I'm an animal. I just eat avocado when I get it.
Yeah, it's like a lighter avocado taste. Are you picking up what I mean by that?
Yeah. I'm just busy eating because I'm hungry. Because it's dinner time. And I'm hungry. I'm a grown gal. I need my nutrients.
So how would you use this differently?
I mean, you can basically just use it the same, but most of the time, like when I make guac, I use Haas avocados, and then when I want it to be chunkier, I'll use a not as firm reed.
Okay. More glass bit?
Yes. I think it's just because I'm an animal.
They're both great.
Yeah, they're both great.
I will take whatever's available.
I'm just here for the avocado.
Yeah. So it's again a subtle difference, but you can tell when you have them side by side.
Yeah. Both taste-wise and physically.
Yes, I do like when you have them together. Like you can tell
Which is which, and
Yes,
not be like,
yes.
oh god, the variety.
the Haas is obviously that characteristic like bumpiness and generally a darker skin, and the Reed is at least this one is like lighter and smoother, and there's more green there.
Yeah, one of them's a peach and the other not a peach. Freaking they both look like different mangoes. Like this one looks like the regular mango, and this one looks like the other mango.
Okay.
Yeah. Shape wise.
Yeah.
I don't know why I did that in my brain.
Mango.
I'm really hungry. Okay. All I can think about is food.
Fair enough. So those are the difference that we could tell between those two, and we'll grab some more varieties as they become available on the shelf, and because Haas is always available.
Yeah. Or at least around here.
Yeah, in Southern California, it's always available because they're
It's
predominantly grown here.
It's everywhere. Sorry for being weird. I'm hungry.